Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Time for Care app. First, download the app from your preferred app store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open it and create a new account using your email and a strong password. Then, take a moment to complete your profile, adding important details about yourself and the person you are caring for. This ensures the app is tailored to your specific needs. Now, let's talk about scheduling. Head over to the Schedule tab, where you'll see all your current and upcoming appointments at a glance. To add a new one, simply tap the plus icon. You can then specify the date, time, and type of care needed. Don't forget to assign caregivers to tasks and set helpful reminders, ensuring no appointment is ever missed. This feature helps keep everyone organized and informed. To play Roblox using Now GG, simply open your internet browser and go to the Now GG website. Once there, you can easily find Roblox and launch it. You will then be prompted to sign in with your Roblox account, just as you would on any other device. This method provides a seamless cloud gaming experience, letting you enjoy your favorite Roblox games instantly, whether you are on a computer, tablet, or even a mobile phone. Finally, let's explore tracking progress. The app allows you to monitor daily activities and log all completed tasks, providing a clear overview of care provided. You can also generate comprehensive reports on various care activities and health metrics, such as medication adherence or vital signs. Reviewing this historical data helps identify patterns and enables you to make more informed decisions about future care plans, ensuring the best possible outcomes for your loved one.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.